Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll look over how to configure a category page in nopCommerce on your local machine. As you can see, I have nopCommerce.com pulled up. Now go to login. Enter the credentials which you used at the time of installing nopCommerce. Now go to administration, configuration, settings, catalog settings. Here in the catalog setting, you can see various options available, which you can use as per your needs. View as settings. Now go to public store, and here you can see grid and list view option available. You can manage them from catalog page section. You can use this option if you wish to display the grid and list view option on your store. Display products in category page. For that we need to enable this option. Using this option you can view subcategory products. Don't forget to click on the save button after every change. Now go to public store, and you can see the products are displayed on the category pages. Breadcrumb. Here you can see breadcrumb. If you wish to disable this option only for the category page, then go back to admin section and category page section. You can enable and disable this option. Number of manufacturers in sidebar. Here you can put the number of manufacturer name you want to display in the sidebar. Here I want to display 3 names. Now save and go back to public store. You can see that there are 2 numbers of already displayed in the public store. Now refresh it, and here are the results. Number of product tag in sidebar. Here you can see product tag section in sidebar. There are 15 tags, so if you want to change the number of tags you want to display, you need to go back to admin section, settings, catalog settings, and tags. Here you can put number of product tag you want to display in the sidebar. Poll section in sidebar. Go to content management, polls. If you wish to show the polls section in the sidebar of your category page, you have to write left column poll in the system keyword text box and save, and now go to public store. When you refresh it, you can see the poll displays in the sidebar. Recently viewed products in sidebar. Go to configuration, settings, catalog settings, additional sections. If you wish to enable and disable the recently viewed products in sidebar, you can manage it from here. Also you can manage number of products you want to display and save. Now go to public store and refresh it. Here we go. These are all the changes. Product rating in product box. If you wish to enable product rating for any particular product, you have to go to product detail page, then go to manage this page and go to allow customer reviews option. You can enable and disable as per your needs and save. Wishlist and compare button in product box. For wishlist, go to configuration, access control list, and go to public store.enable wishlist option. You can check or uncheck as per your needs. For compare, go to settings, catalog settings, compare product section. You can check and uncheck on product compare enabled to show or hide compare button. Product sorting option. To use the sorting functionality, you can manage it from here. Product attributes. Go to public store, product detail page. If you wish to display these attributes as shown here, first step you need to do is go to catalogs, attributes and product attributes. Here you can add all the attributes you want to display on your store. In second page, in second step, you need to go to public store and click on manage this page and product attributes. Add new attributes. And then we click on attribute option. You can see all the attributes which were added on first tab now is been added. Now go back to public store. Now you can see these all filters attributes will be available. Filter attributes. If you wish to display the filter by attributes, first step you need to do is to go to catalogs, attributes, specification attributes. Here you can add all the attributes you require. In the second step, go to product detail page and manage this page. Specification attributes. Now go to attributes and here you can select attribute from which we have added in the first step. And don't forget to enable allow filtering to display the attributes in the category page. Don't forget to save after every changes. I hope this video was helpful to you. We will soon share more information in the theme configuration. Please like, share and subscribe. And please click on the bell icon to get our all latest updates.